Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video as this is something we have talked about fairly recently. Uh, we had mentioned in the past that in the Slack channel that a lot of franchisees have been getting hit with Take Five ads on Facebook, um, and this is a fairly new occurrence. This article just hit Nolan the other day, and so I posted it to Slack channel. I don't think anyone was surprised that there's clearly a marketing shift behind this. They're trying to drive engagement through social media. Um, I think that with how price sensitive people are right now, there's an opportunity for anyone in our space to go out and do a land grab because people are out there seeking value. And in the past, we've always talked about how sticky our customers are and how once you get them, it's a very reliable source of revenue as long as you keep them. It's very difficult to lose a customer unless you do something wrong to them. We always use the barber analogy that once you find someone who cuts your hair the way that you like it, you just keep going back to them until they give you a reason to go somewhere else. And so the economy right now seems to be that reason that people are out there seeking value. So I wanted to do this video, kind of just spitballing it, because I got hit with an ad myself right here on my personal Facebook page, and the it's a good ad. The creative is good. The copy is just one sentence. They're getting their point across. They're clearly spending a ton of money because uh, to get almost 1,000 reactions, almost going to be 300 comments. I'm assuming eventually. The problem here and the point of this video that I want to do is that uh, customer reputation management is so important when you're doing any kind of marketing campaign that involves customer feedback. If you are spending the kind of money that they're spending to get this engagement, and the first 10 comments are all negative comments, with the exception of, a couple that are fine, but, really all you're doing by allowing this commentary to go on is paying money to see uh, a very negative perception. If you knew nothing about our business, if you knew nothing about this business, take away your perception of Take Five and your preconceived notions from being in the industry, just as consider yourself a normal consumer without any oil change industry um, knowledge or experience. Just read these comments. Would you go to this place? And that's why customer reputation management in the comment section, hiding, deleting, blocking. If someone's malicious, if it's someone that's that they're never going to be a customer, go ahead, just block them so that they're not going to be engaged in any future ads. I don't know what Take Five's targeting process was for this for me to get it. It's obviously not geo factored. It's not there. I have no Take Fives anywhere near me in the DC area. Obviously, I drive a ton, so I drive by Take Fives all the time, so it could be that. But I think it's probably more based on general behavior online, keywords like saying oil change. I don't know if they've targeted it that way, but in any case, really the whole point I wanted to get across, and honestly, this is really just free advice for Take Five, but I don't think that anyone out there is really listening to us because we're kind of, with the exception of a couple brands that have copied the things we do, we're kind of strumming to our own beat or drumming to our own beat. So anyway, I just wanted to kick off this short video. Haven't done a video in a while, and this one was top of mind because we've been talking about it. And if anyone has any questions or wants to chat about it, just shoot me a message on Slack. Thanks, guys.